আর গুপ্তার ইউজিসি নেট ইকোনমিক্সের প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের পেপারের মধ্যে জুন 2020 1 থেকে 50 পর্যন্ত আমি কোশ্চেন লাস্ট ভিডিওতে রিভিশন করেছি। আজকে আমি 51 থেকে শুরু করে 100 পর্যন্ত রিভিশন করব। সো 51 নাম্বার কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে কি, পপুলেশন ডেন্সিটি রিফার্স টু সি নাম্বার অফ পার্সনস পার স্কোয়ার কিলোমিটার। 52 number, forward exchange rates are useful for those who wish to answer হচ্ছে কি A B C D number answer. A number, protect themselves from the risk that the exchange rate will change before a transaction is completed. B number, gamble that a currency will rise in value. C number, gamble that a currency will fall in value. D number, exchange currencies at a point in time in the future. 53 number, maximum social welfare is guaranteed where a competitive firm exhibits the following condition where MRPTXY is marginal rate of product transformation of X for Y. A number answer, MRPTXY equal to price of X PX by price of Y PY equal to marginal cost of X MCX by marginal cost of Y MCY. 54 number, the concept of goods and service tax GST is originated in A number, Canada. 55, which of the following are the three states which secured the highest percentage of inter-share of tax revenue among states as per recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission? Answer হচ্ছে A B C, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. 56 number, given the total cost TC equal to QQ minus 10Q square plus 60Q, what will be the minimum average cost? At what level of output will the minimum cost occur? Q is the level of output. A number answer, minimum average cost is AC min equal to 35 at Q equal to 5. 57 number, given the total revenue function TR equal to 1400Q minus 6Q square and total cost function TC equal to 1500 plus 80Q at Q equal to 100 units, where Q is the amount of output, which one of the following responses is correct? Answer হচ্ছে কি A আর B. MR less than MC, B number, MC equal to 80. 58 number, given the sample size 400 with sample mean 99, the population mean 100 and computed value of Z statistic at 2.5, the value of population standard deviation will be C number 8. 59, given below are two statements. Statement 1, industrialization strategy advocates trade and development to overcome market failures through government policy. Statement 2, it encourages technology transfer and exports of progressively more advanced products. In light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে D number, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 60 number, match list, Kerala, highest sex ratio, Punjab, highest percentage of SCs in their population, Himachal Pradesh. Sorry, abar ekbar. 60 number, match list, Kerala, highest sex ratio, Punjab, highest percentage of SCs in their population, Himachal Pradesh, least urbanized, Madhya Pradesh, highest percentage of STs in their population. 61 number, based on the order condition state whether the first equation is identified. Given the following structural model, y1 equal to 3y2 minus 2x1 plus x2 plus u1, y2 equal to y3 plus x3 plus u2, y3 equal to y1 minus y2 minus 2x3 plus u3, where y are the endogenous variables, x's are predetermined variables and u's are random terms. C number answer, exactly identified. 62 number. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Growth in infrastructure is considered as an essential prerequisite for stepping up GDP growth. Statement 2. It is vitally important to increase capital formation in India. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. C number answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 63 number. IS and LM curve analysis explains A number and B number answer product market equilibrium, money market equilibrium. 64 number. Who said, I believe that the objective for disinvestment should be to benefit the public, the consumer and the investor, and at the same time to improve competitiveness and eliminate monopoly. B number answer, George Fernandez. 65. For the given income consumption curve in the diagram, which one of the following is correct beyond point A? Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে B number. Good Y is inferior and good X is normal. 66 number. Which of the following situations represents an economic investment in the national income calculation? B number and C number answer. Sorry, A number and C number answer. Buying a newly constructed house for self-occupation. C number. Buying a new car by a publishing house for delivering books. 67 number. What type of relationship exists between two variables if all points on the scattered diagram appear to fall on a straight line going upward from left to right? B number answer, perfect positive correlation. 68. The share of the service sector in the gross value added of India at current prices during 2018 to 19 is between C number answer 53 to 55%. 69. Match list. Sample mean X bar. 3 number answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে sigma square 1 by root small n. B number. Sample variance is x square. 4 number. Sigma square root 2 by n. C number. Difference of two independent sample means x bar 1 minus x bar 2. 2 number. Root sigma square 1 by n1 plus sigma square 2 by n2. D number. Difference of two independent sample standard deviation h1 minus h2. 1 number. Root sigma square 1 by 2n1 plus sigma square 2 by 2n2. 70 number. Which one of the following response is true as a solution for simultaneous equation bias? Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে C and D. Two stage least square method, 2SL method. D number. Full information maximum likelihood method, FIML. 71. The cost of holding money by individuals. Answer হচ্ছে BCD. Foregone interest from savings. C number. Utility foregone by not buying goods and services. D number. Returns foregone by not holding other assets. 72 number. Given sigma as the standard deviation of a given series and if to each and every observation of the series is added a constant k, then what will be the standard deviation of the new series? C number answer, sigma. 73. Growth rate of population is A number answer, rate at which population increases per 1000 per annum. 74 number. Changes in terms of trade typically put less developed countries at a disadvantage because A number answer, they specialize and trade in agricultural goods rather than manufactured goods. 75. Account fee crossing is defined in which section of the Negotiable Instruments NI Act? D number, not defined in NI Act. 76 number. Rybczynski theorem. 2 number. The effect of factor growth on production and trade. Metzler effect. The effect, 3 number. The effect on tariffs on domestic prices. Stolper-Samuelson theorem. One number, the effect of tariffs on factor prices or emerging growth theory. The effect of growth on terms of trade. 77. A decision-free framework to identify a country's most binding constraints on economic growth is termed as B number growth diagnostics. 78 number. Based on the following Blackart's stages of population growth diagram, the portion between A, B and C implies answer early expanding. 79. Inadequacy or absence of KYC, know your customer standards can subject a bank to serious and counterparty risk as follows. B number answer A, B, C. Reputation risk, compliance risk, legal risk. 8 number. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The main cause of commercial bank failure is because of providing inappropriate loans to bank insiders. Reason R. Bank employees are provided loans at lower interest rates. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. B number. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 81. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Chronic poverty is the main problem facing India. Reason are British colonial rule has caused underdevelopment in India. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. B number. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 82. A graph reflecting the relationship between a country's per capita income and its inequality of income distribution is the denominator Kuznets curve. 83. 83 what is the maximum penalty to be imposed under the Negotiable Instruments Act for bouncing of a check? Answer 2 years. 84 match list. Effectiveness of private markets in dealing with externalities. Cho's theorem. Relationship between increase in tax rate and tax revenue. Laffer curve. Dominant strategy. Game theory. Controlling prices through effective price selling and a price floor. Deadweight loss. 85 number. What is the value of the equilibrium level of income for the data given below for an economy? C equal to 50 plus 0.8 y d, t equal to 20%, I equal to 100, g equal to 30. Answer which is C number 500. 86. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. According to World W. Rostow, the principal strategy of development necessary for takeoff was the mobilization of domestic and foreign savings. Reason R. Mobilization of domestic and foreign savings is necessary to generate sufficient investment to accelerate economic growth. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. In our answer, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. 87 match list. Permanent income hypothesis M. Friedman, relative income hypothesis J. Dusenberry, absolute income hypothesis J. M. Keynes, or life cycle hypothesis F. Modigliani. 88. Arrange the following in chronological order. DBCA answer হচ্ছে classical economics, Keynesian economics, monetarism, rational expectation doctrine. 89. Banking cash transaction tax. Banking cash transaction tax BCTT was introduced with effect from 1st June 2005. 90. Which one of the following committees has been constituted for Doubling farmers' income by 2022. D number answer Ashok Dalwai Committee. 91. Green electricity means electricity produced from renewable sources of energy. 92. Offset of emissions are used to reduce emissions to provide green image to satisfy consumer preferences. 93. An example of green good is wind power, solar energy. 94. The way in which consumers can produce a green product from a brown product. Retail offsets. 95. Impure public goods are a package of public and private goods. 96. Which one of the following does not fall in the category of government transfers? D number answer education. 97. Which one of the following statement is correct? A number. The expansion of the public sector has been a necessary and constructive development, and a strong public sector is needed along with the capitalist market. C number. In India, state intervention through public finance policy has to play an important role. 98. The statement dispute arises when the state expands to areas beyond the realm of boundaries of the protective state into a productive or tax transfer state was given by Buchanan या Buchanan जो भी है. 99. The externalities of the government intervention in the economy can be found in terms of market development, storage and price support in agriculture. D number irrigation. A, C and D answer. 100. Which one of the following objectives of public finance is not correct? B number. Ensure reduction of adverse balance of payments.